So the product image crop simply just allows you to change the image ratio of your images. To install it, as always, just head to the theme settings and the Debutify Add-ons tab and activate the add-on. Then you can head back out into the theme settings and find product image crop to customize it. So right now we're at 2:3. Let's have a look if we go to 1:1. All right, and how about 16:9? Let's bring him down a bit. Well, he went up. Let's bring him down. There you go. Feel free to play around with these customizations. It does affect all of your products. And if you're not using Debutify yet, get started today at Debutify.com completely free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support inside the Debutify app.